Now 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Sobrang excited na ang lahat para sa Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Eco International 2025 kung saan nga ay sasabak at makikipagbardagulan ang ating pambatong si Alexi May Caimoso Brooks para ibandera ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Pagdating sa ganda, galing at talino ay hinding-hindi magpapahuli ang ating pambato. Kaya for today's video, panoorin natin ang final Q&A round ni Miss Alexi May Brooks sa kanyang pageant sa Miss Iloilo City. Let's watch this.
Last but not the least, we have candidate number 9. Hello, Alexi.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Na-memorize ko na talaga pangalan mo dahil Hakot Awards ka tonight.
Thank you.
So this is your final question, okay? I will repeat it once to make sure that you heard it clearly. Okay, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
Thank you so much for this question. As an Ilongga with a heartfelt beauty, I think one thing that I'm proud of is ever since from the past, we've always kept the spirit of Dinagang. We've always kept the spirit of Pagpalanga. And the food that we had, that we are selected as a creative city in gastronomy, it is the reason why this was from our past, that we preserve it and we deliver it to right now. And one thing that I also want to say is, I want women to move forward. Abansi babae. This is something that comes from my heart. I want to empower women. I want to educate and to advocate women from the past and right now, that women can be so much more, that we're capable of so much more. Abansi babae. My name is Alexi May Caimoso Brooks, and my heart will always beat in Iloilo City. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nawa ay patuloy nating suportahan si Alexi May Brooks para sa kanyang laban sa Miss Eco International. At syempre patuloy ding umantabay sa channel na ito para sa iba pang mga bagong updates. This is Nel2204, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe para sa mga bagong videos. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.